bow. Okay, now let's go to the audience. Okay, so does your kick work for real in a real fight?
Yes.
That's what we're gonna experiment this here right now. So he's a black belt, so he's gonna kick me really hard. Okay, so if we are here like this, in a self-defense situation, try not to get into a fighting stance, because then the attacker or the mugger knows that you know some type of self-defense, and then he's gonna run away or try to get a gun on you. So we're facing here like this, right? Okay, so this is a crowded train. He has no room to move, so you're gonna kick me in the belly. Okay, so that's why I have the shield. So
I can kick him harder.
okay, so you see, one more time in the center. See, that's a strong kick. And notice that he chambers up a little bit. Lift the knee up.
I can
Then
kick
boom,
him
right there.
harder.
And I go back. So it can work. One more time. See, that's exactly what happened, because you won't be able to get into those fighting stances like in sparring. So it makes sense. All right. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Don't Willie, come up. So Willie's gonna try it too. Alright, and then you, cameraman, you're gonna try it also. So the same principle, there's no room to move, and you're gonna kick with the belly from right there. Right there like that. One more time. Right there, you see? One more. A little higher. If you kick him down, kick straight through me. Right there, you see? That was good. Alright, thank you, Willie. Alright, now Mr. Cameraman is next.
Yeah.
Come on. And we bow. Okay, for no stance. Right there. See, he's cheating a little bit.